So this just came in the mail. A Motorola. Didn't know they still made phones, to be honest. It's a Moto E22i. It has stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos and a 6.5 inch 90 hertz display, which is pretty good. I was not expecting 90 hertz from what's supposed to be a spare phone, because we recently upgraded our plan and for some reason we got 2 of these. AI camera system, not sure what that's supposed to mean, but I reckon it's going to be pretty gimmicky. Anyway, enough of talking. Let's actually get into this thing. So let's cut it open. We've got one hand here. There we go. How does it open? Oh yeah, it goes this way. It's not fancy. Alrighty, so what we've got here. Wow. All right. Not bad. It comes with a case. Look at that. I'm pretty sure that's a case. I mean, it looks like a case. Yeah. Not even try to take it off. Alright, so let's peel off this bit here, if we can even do that. Hey, I was just going to say, I don't want to make the same mistake as those people who unbox the new flip phone from Samsung, the Galaxy Flip. They thought it was a screen protector, but it was actually the screen itself. So let's see if it's got power. It has power. This is actually surprisingly decent phone. I was expecting something cheap, nasty, the back would fall off if you dropped it, the battery would fall out. But no, this is actually kind of good. Obviously, okay, the display's a bit inconsistent. When you put it on an angle, you can see how it kind of, whoa.
Hello, Moto.
Let's start. Okay, wait. Australian. Connect to a mobile network. So let's take a look at the rest of the stuff that it's got in the box. Meet your Moto E. This would be good for like an elderly person who aren't too familiar with technology. So we've got a brick here, power brick. Is this a Type C? It is a Type C. Well, that's very good. All right. So let's just leave these here for now. And let me just log into my Wi-Fi network and show you what kind of features this thing has. Supposedly an AI camera. Yeah, it's actually pretty smooth. Smoother than the phone I'm using now to record. In the meantime, we'll take a look at these, which appear to be earbuds. I'll get them out. Now, this right here implies that it actually has a headphone jack, which is absolutely phenomenal. That is honestly fantastic, because I've been looking for a phone to plug into my car because the Bluetooth in it is pretty iffy. Like it works like probably 20% of the time. So an aux cord directly to it would be much easier. So this is going to be quite useful. All right, so let's sign in with Google. All right, so here's the fingerprint stage. Now, I don't actually know whether it's got an in-screen fingerprint sensor. If that's the case, then that's pretty cool. Wait, where's the sensor? Touch the sensor on the right side of your phone. Please touch it with your finger. Oh, is it the on button? Let's see, hang on. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I've seen some phones that have the same kind of feature, and I think it's a really unique idea. I mean, fingerprint sensor being where you actually turn the phone on, actually quite convenient and very appropriate place to put a fingerprint sensor. All right, yep. All right, there we go. It seems to recognize the fact that I've already positioned my thumb in the same place. So that's pretty impressive. There we go. All right, next. So far, I am noticing that it's a bit clunky. It's not the fastest phone known to man. Choose your theme, light. Oh, okay. That's just a no-brainer. All set. Start using your phone. Let's go. I like the wallpaper. Shit. It's nice. here we are. What have we got here? It's kind of Fruitiger Aero, the wallpaper. Got Facebook Lite already installed. Instagram, Dreamlab, whatever that is. What else have we got installed on here? We've got, it's a scroll down interface. Motorola app. Oh, okay, it's got YouTube Music on already. Dolby Atmos. Dolby. Google Go. The hell's Google Go? FM radio. I mean, that makes sense. I mean, it's got the headphone jack, and that's usually required for FM radio. And it's loading something here. I don't know what, though. Can you stop? What is it? It's a widget of some kind. Is it like the time? It is the time. And it is a very awkward number. But the first thing you got to do is test out the camera. I mean, you can't just get a new phone and not use the camera. What is this again? AI camera. It's going to need a lot of AI to make these photos look good. So let's get a photo of something and then see how it turns out. Like this weird ass gift that I got from my friend for my birthday. Alright, let's see. Well, the color is definitely a bit off. Okay. Well, right, photo taken. This is definitely not a main driver, but it's a good backup phone. Oh, yikes. Yeah, it's very blurry. What the hell was that goofy ass ringtone? What about video? See how good the video is. It might be... Oh, the video's not actually that bad. The video is... it definitely suffices. As you can see, yes, I am recently 21. Which is the context behind this gift. I was expecting a lot worse. It's obviously nowhere near as good as the S20 Plus, which is my daily driver, but it works. Let's see how the fingerprint sensor works. Oh, that's pretty good. Wow. That is quick. That is very quick, actually. It's quicker than my in-screen fingerprint sensor on my S20 Plus. So that's a compliment towards this, at least. Alright, well, there's another one for me to set up, so I guess I'll get to that then. I just wanted to showcase these goofy ringtones that it's got.
Hello, Moto.
What is that supposed to be?